Here we have the Spyderco Roc. This is item number C177GP. This is done in VG10 steel with black G10, and there's a nice grip on this G10. This is a liner lock right in here, and absolutely cool shape. It has their wire deep carry pocket clip, and that hole, even when you don't do it really well, will really facilitate an opening. I have to say, so I have a large hand, and this is a very comfortable neutral handle. A lot of neutral handles I find too big back here or too small in the middle, just for my hand size. And this one actually is really comfortable in multiple positions. And this is one of the mini cleavers that have kind of taken the market by storm in the last couple years. Super popular, great shape, and this one actually has enough curvature to it to be a useful, like, everyday carry. Obviously it'll open boxes, but it'll have enough curvature to it to where you can actually do some scraping tasks too, which most mini cleavers or worn clips just don't have that versatility to them. There is a nice bead blast finish on this VG10. Nice homogeneous finish. Take a look at the website. We have the current pricing and all the sizing information there. Thanks for watching.